أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
The eighth condition of the Bai'at. How does one hold faith and the honor of faith dearer to one than one's own life, property, wealth, and honor, and family? Look at this. All around you, you've got all of this stimulus. How does one maintain the honor of faith with all of this stimulus that may or may not draw oneself away from faith? It reminds me of that old saying, he who stands for nothing falls for anything. So everything else, as I understood it, in growing up previous to Islam, everything came and went. People live and people die. Jobs are gained and jobs are lost. Family comes and goes. In fact, I myself will come and go. Nothing at all remained constant. In fact, not even the leaves on the trees here in the fall in New York City has remained constant. And not only the leaves of the lives of my loved ones or jobs or money has remained constant. So it has only been my personal experience that nothing ever remained constant. In fact, every single time I tried to attach my heart to something, it was gone. So for me, this particular condition, just reading it, is enough for me, because what it tells me is that first, in order to hold Islam and the cause of Islam and the honor of faith dearer than any other thing, I have to first learn about it. I have to first read about it and try to increase and perfect my understanding of it. This way I can compare it to anything else. And this was my approach ever since I embraced Islam. You know, the fourth Khalifa and the fifth Khalifa taught a prayer. Rabbi kullu shay'in kadimalka, Rabbi fafazni, wansarni, warhamni. This prayer, the teachings of the Holy Quran, the speeches of the Khulafa, Khilafat, to tie oneself to Khilafat, to the Holy Quran, to faith, this is the only thing that I find even gives me a shot, gives me a slim chance that Allah may protect me no matter what environment I'm in. So if I were to mention anything else to anyone else as to why should they do it, my question really would be, on the one hand, what choice do you really have? You were born with nothing. You will die with nothing. The only thing you actually do have is your heart and the light that emanates from your heart. Look to your long-term well-being. Look to a feeling of light of heart and a friend who will never abandon you. For me, that is the fruit of the eighth condition.